So how was your day?
How was your day, dear?
How was your day today?
So how was your day?
Oh, phenomenal.
How was your day?
Long.
Come on, how was your day?
Good.
Hey kid, how was your day?
How was your day?
Good.
How was your day?
You have to work, go work.
Well, how was your how was your day?
Amazing.
Hey honey, how was your day?
I think there's someone following me. What do I do?
How was your day?
Good.
How was your day?
I'm getting cabin fever.
How was your day, honey?
Same as always.
Miss Steele, how was your day?
Looking up, Mr. Gray.
Hey, guys. How was your day?
It was really great.
How was your day?
Fine.
Good.
How was your day? Swell.
Hello. How was your day?
Not good.
Why? What happened?
It's a long story. I'll tell you later.
All right then.
How was your day?
Puzzling. Frustrating. But not anymore.